Hello, welcome to Joyful Learning 365 YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the difference between append and append to privileges and how it affects to the user access in Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM. Append and append to are two privileges that most users are not very clear about regarding their functionality. I hope by end of this video you can understand what is the exactly difference between append and append to in Microsoft Dynamics 365. Append and append to basically deal with the entities that are the parties to 1:n and n:1 relationship. As you can see on the screen, account and contact entity, both parties having relationship. Initially we try to understand what is append. When an entity has the lookup of another entity on its form, it is important that the user have the append privileges on the entity so that it can set the values for the lookups on this entity. For example, contact has the lookup of account on its form. So here the user need to have the append privileges to able to set the parent account. Now let us remove the append privileges to the contact entity so that we can observe when a user with this role logs how it will appear. Once you try to save the record, it's throwing error as you do not have permission to append contact permissions to access contact records. This is because the user don't have append privileges to the contact entity, so all the lookups on the contact form are disabled. Now let us try to understand what is append to. Here, when an entity is available as a lookup on another entity form, it is important that the user have the append to privileges on the entity that is referred to in the lookup so that it can set the value for the lookups for the entity on any other form. For example, as you can see on the screen, account has a lookup of primary contact. So here the user need to have the append to privileges to able to set the primary contact for the account. Now let us remove the append to privileges from the contact entity so that we can see without append to privileges how it's behave. The primary contact on account is disabled. It means that the lookup of contact entity will be disabled on all the entities if the append to privileges to contact is removed. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end, and I hope that you have learned something new in this video. So please do not forget to like, share and subscribe the Joyful Learning 365 videos.